The moon is the largest and brightest object in the night sky. It is closer to Earth than the sun or any planet. The moon is about 239,000 miles, 385,000 kilometers away. It takes the moon 29.5 days to orbit Earth. The same side of the moon always faces Earth. Moonlight is light from the sun. Sunlight bounces off the moon and shines on Earth. The part of the moon that shines changes as the moon orbits Earth. On Earth, it looks like the moon is a different shape each night. These shapes are called phases. First, a small curve of the moon appears. It waxes each night until it is a full moon. Then the moon wanes each night. It is called a new moon when it seems to disappear. There are light and dark areas on the moon. The dark areas are smooth plains called maria. The light areas are highlands. Tall mountains rise from the highlands. Some rocks there are bigger than a house. The moon has thousands of bowl-shaped holes called craters. Most of the craters formed when meteorites crashed into the moon. Some craters are smaller than a basketball. The largest are more than 1,000 miles, 1,610 kilometers wide. Gray dust covers almost everything on the moon. In some places, the dust is 65 feet, 20 meters deep. The moon does not have an atmosphere. There is no air or weather on the moon. The sky is black all the time. The moon is a quiet place. Sound travels through air. Without air, there is no sound on the moon. The moon gets very hot and very cold. The temperature rises to 265 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 degrees Celsius in sunlight. It drops to negative 310 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 190 degrees Celsius when the sun sets. In 1969, people visited the moon for the first time. Astronauts collected moon rocks to study back on Earth. The